Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the user app permissions feature works in Salesforce Tool Suite. You can find this feature under the Reports tab under the User App Permissions type. Since a particular user can have n number of application permissions, so that is why we can group this by user also. Here we can find the number of users and we can group them by application also. So when I select this, I can see the applications over here. So first I'm going with the user. I'm selecting some user, and when I click on export Excel, it will prepare a Excel report and it will get downloaded and you can view it over from here. So I am opening this file and you can see Abhinav has permission to Chatter Commands application, Chatterify application, Force.com application. So like this, we can check how many applications can be accessed by a particular user. So in this way, we can check the permissions of application. Now let's go with the another approach where we are grouping by app, and I'm selecting some applications from here and then I'm clicking on export Excel. In the same way, the file will get downloaded. We can view it. I'm opening the file. Here you will see that these users has permission to this application. So Abhinav has permission to Chatrify community and Abhinav doesn't have access to app launcher. And in the same way, Amjad has permission to Chatrify community but not app launcher. So in this way, we can check which user has permission to which application. So that's all about it. Thank you and have a nice day.